Step one to building your custom recycle bike is to make an appointment. I am the only person here. Our business revolves around appointments. This is where we get together and talk about your bike. What are you going to be doing with your bike? What kind of bike do you have in mind? What kind of budget? What type of time do you want to spend? Will help us answer questions like, do you want to build your own wheels? We can do that. Really, with a custom bike, you can do just about anything. We use a combination of new and used parts. There's all sorts of different places that we can modify and make the bike yours. We have, at any given point, over 30 frames between our backyard and inside. Most of them are from donations. We strip them down and then make new bikes. It all really depends on what you want, what we have in the shop. Some things you'll get new tires and some people will get new levers. Everyone gets new wheels. That's a major part of the cost as well as the labor. We're going to use all sorts of different bikes for seat posts, handlebars, stems for your bike. We teach you how to build your own bike in a one-on-one fashion. Just because it works in the stand doesn't mean it works out there. We go through a fairly extensive process of making sure that your bike is hitting all the gears, running like it should before we release you into the world. And of course, we stand by our work. You can come back anytime.